delicate and colorful, edible flowers bring more than just beauty to the garden, they add unique flavors and unforgettable experiences to your plate. Let's explore 12 exquisite flowers that transform any meal into a romantic, captivating symphony. These blooms are waiting for you to discover their charm and elegance. Nasturtium, with its vibrant hues of orange, red, and yellow, brings a burst of color and flavor to any garden or plate. Its petals, soft yet fiery, hold a peppery taste that adds a hint of spice to salads and summer dishes. Each blossom feels like a kiss of sunshine, embodying both beauty and a gentle warmth. Growing nasturtiums invites a sense of whimsy and romance, as these cheerful blooms cascade over garden edges and fill the air with a quiet allure, waiting to be savored and enjoyed. Calendula, often known as the sunshine flower, graces the garden with its radiant yellow and orange petals, evoking warmth and cheer. With a hint of tanginess and a peppery undertone, its flavor brings life to salads, soups, and rice dishes. This flower is more than a simple adornment, it's a touch of golden elegance, transforming everyday meals into vibrant, flavorful experiences. The calendula's glow embodies the beauty of nature, offering a delicate yet bold presence that lingers on the plate and in the heart. Pansies, with their soft petals and vivid colors, create a playful yet gentle charm in any setting. Their delicate sweetness and grassy undertones bring a subtle flavor to salads, desserts, and drinks, making each bite feel like a whisper of spring. These charming blooms, adorned with shades of purple, yellow, and blue, capture the essence of quiet beauty. As they nestle into dishes, pansies add a romantic, artistic touch that feels like a fleeting moment of joy, reminding us of nature's simple and captivating elegance. Chive blossoms, with their tiny, lavender-hued florets, are a delightful burst of color and flavor. Their mild onion taste adds a subtle kick to salads, soups, and savory dishes, creating an earthy balance that awakens the senses. Each blossom is like a miniature bouquet, both beautiful and flavorful, adding a hint of garden freshness to your plate. Chive blossoms bring not only a delicate beauty but also a touch of rustic charm, infusing each dish with the essence of homegrown warmth and natural elegance. Borage, with its star-shaped, sapphire blue flowers, brings a cool, refreshing touch to any dish. Its flavor, reminiscent of cucumber with a hint of sweetness, adds a delightful freshness to salads, drinks, and desserts. These ethereal blooms seem to capture the sky's essence, evoking a sense of calm and tranquility. Each borage flower graces the plate with an enchanting beauty, like a delicate brushstroke of nature's artistry, making every meal feel like a serene escape into a garden where simplicity and elegance meet. Lavender, with its soft, purple spikes and intoxicating fragrance, brings a serene elegance to both the garden and the kitchen. Its floral, slightly minty flavor adds a gentle sweetness to desserts, teas, and even savory dishes, transforming ordinary meals into aromatic delights. Each lavender blossom seems to hold the essence of summer nights, filling the air with a calming presence. As you savor its delicate taste, lavender whispers a quiet romance, evoking memories of lush fields and peaceful moments, making every bite a journey into nature's soothing embrace. Squash blossoms, with their golden petals unfurling like delicate lanterns, bring a touch of elegance and whimsy to any garden. Their mild, slightly sweet flavor transforms simple dishes into extraordinary experiences, whether stuffed with cheese, fried, or tossed into a salad. These vibrant blooms are a celebration of summer's bounty, each petal embodying the warmth of the sun. With every bite, squash blossoms evoke a sense of lightness and joy, as if nature itself is offering a gift, a tender, fleeting moment of pure, golden beauty. Roses, with their velvety petals and intoxicating fragrance, have long been symbols of romance and beauty. Their flavor, sweet with subtle hints of fruit, transforms both desserts and beverages into luxurious indulgences. Whether used in jams, syrups, or simply as a delicate garnish, rose petals bring an air of elegance and passion to any dish. Each bloom is a love letter from nature, offering not just visual beauty, but a taste of pure, timeless romance that lingers long after the petals have fallen. Dandelions, often seen as a humble weed, are a treasure trove of flavor and history. Their vibrant yellow petals, with a slightly bitter taste, bring depth to salads, jellies, and even wines. Every part of this resilient flower is edible, from its leaves to its roots, offering a unique connection to nature's simplicity. As dandelions bloom, they remind us of the beauty found in the most unexpected places, infusing each dish with a touch of rustic charm and the timeless spirit of the wild. Violas, with their delicate petals in shades of purple, blue, and yellow, are nature's miniature masterpieces. Their subtle sweetness and mild, grassy flavor make them a perfect addition to salads, desserts, and garnishes. These tiny flowers, with their charming faces, bring an air of whimsy and elegance to any dish, turning even the simplest meals into art. As you savor their gentle taste, violets remind us of nature's quiet grace, offering a fleeting yet beautiful moment of pure joy in every bite. Hibiscus, with its bold, vibrant red petals, exudes a sense of tropical elegance. The tart, cranberry-like flavor of its blossoms adds a refreshing zing to teas, syrups, and cocktails. Each flower, bursting with color, evokes memories of warm, sun-kissed afternoons and lush, exotic gardens. As you sip or savor, hibiscus carries you away to distant shores, offering a taste of both passion and tranquility in every drop, filling your senses with the essence of summer's endless warmth. Chamomile, with its soft, white petals and golden center, brings a sense of calm and tranquility to both garden and table. Its apple-like, sweet flavor is perfect for herbal teas, but can also add a gentle touch to desserts and salads. Each bloom feels like a quiet whisper from nature, offering comfort and serenity with every sip or bite. As chamomile flowers sway in the breeze, they remind us of peaceful moments, filling each dish with a soothing warmth that lingers like a soft hug from nature. With their vibrant colors and delicate flavors, edible flowers enrich not only your garden but also bring creativity and romance to your dishes. Let nature infuse every meal with a poetic, unique experience that only these blossoms can provide. Embrace the charm of edible flowers and let them elevate your culinary adventures.